Actually, you know what? I did just get word from management earlier. We're running way over schedule now, so we're going to let you go ahead and do a song, but we're going to close out the show with you. So y'all give a big round of applause, and this is going to be the last song you hear tonight. Make it loud, make it proud for Miss Myrtlebell.
Store on an isle of distilled water. Not so heavy, I was clean because we had dough. That's the one thing that Mama made sure of. She scrubbed us all and really made us holler. My daddy worked all night in a Walmart freezer. All day long my mommy tried and squeeze her. She'd shot the bargains in sight. The bouncing ball was a delight. The rollback saved our family lots of dollars. Daddy loved to raise 12 kids on the stocker's pay. Mama walked us all to Walmart every day. We had dogs and cats to feed. Talking back, there was no need. We'd do our chores complaining to each other. In the summertime, we'd make cutoffs to wear. When the price rolled back, we'd all get a brand new pair. When the parking lot was full, she'd make us wait, that's no bull. Mama wouldn't think about shopping elsewhere. Yeah, I'm proud to be a Walmart daughter. I remember the pies we made with mud and water. We made biscuits with Walmart lard. We sold lemonade in the yard. Walmart blue is still my favorite color. Not much has changed since way back then. The superstore since